Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable live voicemail transcription in iOS 18. First, open the Settings app and tap on Phone. Then select Live Voicemail and toggle the option on or off. Note that live voicemail is enabled by default in iOS 17 and later. When live voicemail is active, your iPhone captures the caller's voicemail in real time as they leave it, allowing you to see it while the call is ongoing. Remember that you won't hear the caller and they won't hear you unless you choose to answer the call. Standard calling or data rates may apply. To send an incoming call directly to live voicemail, tap the voicemail button when the call comes in. If you miss a call while on your carrier network, it will automatically go to live voicemail, but if you're roaming, you need to tap the voicemail button to redirect it there. You can find the transcriptions of live voicemail in the voicemail tab of the phone app after the call ends. As long as you keep the voicemail in your inbox, the transcriptions will be available to view. Your voicemails are never deleted automatically, so you can keep them for as long as you wish. If visual voicemail is turned on, you can also see voicemails captured by your carrier in the same tab. Note that visual voicemail availability may vary by carrier and region. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.